WNBA star Brittney Griner. She was arrested sometime in February. She is considered, for those who don't follow the WNBA, the best female basketball player in the WNBA.
She's like 6'9".
And for those who can argue that she's not the best or the second best or the third best, she is considered the best offensive female basketball player in the history of female basketball in the United States of America. She was playing her basketball in Russia. She was getting paid about $1 million to play there, more than she gets paid in the WNBA.
It's crazy to be the best in your game and having to go to another country in order to make some money.
And unfortunately, obviously she didn't know Russia was going to invade Ukraine. She's on a contract and has to play basketball there. And while traveling in an airport, she had a vape that had some sort of smell of hashish oil. A smell of it. No weed, no marijuana. No, it was a smell of it coming from that vape. And what happened was that she got arrested. The dog smelled it. She got arrested. And quite frankly, she is a political prisoner now of Russia.
Yeah.
She is being used as a pawn by Russia. Had Russia not invaded Ukraine, had the West and NATO not gave all these sanctions, had we not potentially be almost at the cusp of World War III, she would not be in jail right now. The number one player in the WNBA is in jail.
Like if this was an NBA
If this was LeBron James, who is the number one basketball player,
him back here yesterday.
Right? LeBron James. Pick the number one basketball player in the NBA.
Honestly, pick any of the top ones. Like, not saying even number one basketball player, like any of the top NBA players. It could be James Harden. It could be any one of them. And it would not only be all over the news, he probably would have already been back here. So I'm happy that we're speaking about this, because it's already one thing that she had to go to another country in order to make money, and for something that she's well deserved of. But now we're not even really telling her story. So I'm happy we're talking about that.
Well, she's facing she's facing a maximum of 10 years in prison. She was arrested on February 17th at a Moscow airport. The United States State Department spokesman Ned Price said Tuesday at a briefing, "They've been doing everything we can to support Brittney and her family and to work with them to see that she is treated appropriately and seek her release." Former U.S. Secretary of State Hillary Clinton joined a growing contingent of family, friends, and officials calling for a release with a Free Brittney tweet. Putin arrested this woman. The only way to say she is a political prisoner. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.